This is really interesting. Oh boy.
So amazing. Everyone, please welcome to the show, Ty Smith.
What is really on Folkios and Folkoramas? I'm Ty Smith, Model Renaissance Man. Welcome to my channel, Model Renaissance Man. If you are someone that's been subscribed to my channel for a long time, double check to make sure that you are. But if you are fairly new to the channel, get an idea of what this channel is about. What do? Go to my channel, click on playlist. All these different things I do on this channel. See all these different thumbnails? Those are all different categories of things that I do on this channel, from comedy to cooking to DIY when it comes to fixing cars. There's a lot of things I do on this channel. So check the channel out in its entirety before you subscribe. I'm pretty sure you'll find something on here that you like. What's going on, folks? Appreciate you guys all being here. You guys all heard what I told you to do at the intro. Make sure you do that. If you would like to support the channel financially, just paying $1 a month to join Patreon. But there are other tiers you can pledge to on Patreon. But again, just to support the channel and say thank you and all that good stuff like that, just go over to patreon.com/Modern Renaissance Man and go and follow me over there. What that will do, if I happen to get my videos banned or anything like that, I will be able to post on Patreon. Also, again, that's folks' way of just wanting to support the channel. If you do, great. If you don't, great. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we got that on out the way. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoy what I'm doing. Make sure that you guys go into your cellular phones. Let somebody know about this channel and how they should subscribe to it, all right? Appreciate if you guys all did that. Okay, so you guys all see this story right here, and it's going to be a lot of crazy stuff going on between this, and I don't know all the details to it. I'm just giving you guys to it as it comes to me. What are we talking about? The January 6th case collapsed, it says. January 6th case was removed from the D.C. court docket as the House GOP punishes Big Fanny. Now, we're going to talk about her a little later, okay? But this right here is something that came up on Twitter under Anna Pauline Luna. Says, within hours of my office sending a letter asking Jack Smith to produce information regarding his investigation, his case against Trump is removed from the docket. Jack Smith owes the American people and Congress answers. See if I can make this bigger right here. I don't know how big. I don't know if I want to make it that big, y'all. Let's see what it looks like on this side. Yeah, we don't want that big right there. Let me take it back out. All right, here we go. How about that? That looks better right there. In my opinion, it does. All documents and communications concerning your authority to impanel a grand jury in the United States District Courts for the District of Columbia and the Southern District of Florida. All documents and communications concerning your authority to offer immunity pursuant 18 U.S.C. 6002 to individuals testify before either a grand jury. Okay, and let me make this a little bigger for me, y'all, because these little bitty words. All documents and communications concerning your authority to seek the return of an indictment from either grand jury, including threaten the return of an indictment through a target letter. All documents and communications concerning any oversight by the Department of Justice regarding any of these topics, specifically including but not limited to all documents and communication exchanged between your office and a department concerning your decision to return an indictment of President Trump. That's what you guys see right there, right? So now what I'm going to do, let's see what this is right here. I'm just going to put it in. Trump D.C. trial drops off court's March calendar. I don't know if that's what we're talking about right here. I don't think that's what we're talking about right there. That can't be. I don't know what that is. That's the Top Gun thing right here. But let me see if I can get any more on this. Let's see. Just then, Trump January 6th case removed from the D.C. docket. Can we read upon this somewhere? Charlie Kirk posted this. Let's see what we can come up with. Okay, get this out the way. There it is right here. I'm going to make this a little smaller. There we go. We can do that right there, guys. That looks good. Y'all like that? Yeah. All right. Trump January 6th case removed from D.C. docket. The case brought by special counsel Jack Smith and presided over Judge Tanya Chutkan recently has motions pending that are on appeal. January 6th case against Donald Trump has been dropped off the court's public calendar in Washington, D.C. It said the case brought by Special Jack Smith presided over, I just read that, former President Trump's March 4 trial date on charges of plotting to overturn the results of the 2020 election has been dropped from the public calendar of the federal court in Washington, a sign of what has long been anticipated, that his claim of presidential immunity from criminal prosecution would delay his trial while it remains on appeal. The motion currently on appeal is one brought by Trump's attorney stating that he has presidential immunity from the charges as he was still in office at the time the alleged offenses occurred. Trump brought the motion to Chuck Kahn, who denied it, and Trump then appealed. Smith took the motion to the Supreme Court and asked them to rule on it quickly, but the court declined to do so, leaving the matter on the lower court to decide. This process has caused a delay of the trial that Smith wanted to ram through the court system as quickly as possible. Chuck Kahn had said the trial deadlines would be suspended as the motion brought by Trump moves through the appeals court. President Joe Biden's Department of Justice has accused Trump of staging a January 6th riot, which happened while Trump was still in office. Trump faces RICO case in Georgia brought by the Fulton County DA Fani Willis, who is now facing her own crisis after it was revealed that she hired a man to work on the prosecutorial team with whom she was having an affair with. Willis has been, What just happened? I just kind of, this page did some weird thing, folks. I kind of lost place of where I was. Willis has been subpoenaed by one of the 18 co-defendants in the case, Michael Roman. This case brought by Manhattan, D.C. Alvin Bragg will likely move forward this spring. Trump is accused of having recorded payments made to his attorney as legal fees, his bookkeeping records, though Bragg claims the funds in question were intended as hush money to a porn star with whom Trump allegedly had had a dalliance. Bragg has claimed that these misdemeanor charges are actually felonies, though he has not revealed what the felonies believe. Blah, 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 blah. Y'all, in other words, this stuff just trying to go into other things about Donald Trump. Point being of this whole video was to pretty much bring in and show that they took it off. They took the case of Trump being some sort of person inciting the insurrection off. Now, does that mean it won't be going back on there in the future? I don't know. But as of right now, it's off. Trump did not cause an insurrection, nor did he incite an insurrection. Nothing that he said. Y'all find it for me. For those of you just want to be a Trumper. Y'all don't give me no evidence that Trump out of his mouth on that day or the day before said, if I lose, I want y'all to go. No, you won't find anything like that. For him to tell somebody to go down there and peacefully protest, then also to tell them, make sure they back up the boys in blue or the people in blue and do it peacefully. Come on now. And then when he heard about the stuff going on, he did tell them, stop it, go home. Why did it take so long? Come on, man. Y'all stop. Stop now. Anyway, like I said, if you can find anything like that Trump did and he incited an insurrection, go ahead and leave it. I want to see it. Plain and simple. But is this a huge win for Donald Trump? I don't know, because he got 1 million more other things to do. Trump need to have that song from Jay-Z called I Got 99 Problems, but oops, a B is one, y'all. So anyway, some of y'all won't get that. But don't forget, folks, make sure y'all are subscribed to the channel. If y'all like the information I'm putting out, make sure you hit the like button and also go into that cell phone, let somebody know about this channel. Appreciate it if you did that, all right? I'm Ty Smith, Modern Renaissance Man, and I hope and pray that every last one of you have food, shelter, and clothing, and most of all, I pray every last one of you guys are in great health, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. God bless you all through Jesus. What's going on, everybody? So, hey, check this out. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to view these videos. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also right here is where you can catch the next video, the latest video that I've done. But like right up here, this is stuff that I've done kind of in the past. So in this area, you might find a video that I've done in the past. It can be funny, it can be something serious. It does not matter. But this is something that you can also do to check out more material that I do in my channel, because I do a lot in this channel, all right? So again, appreciate everything from you guys. Keep on watching it, keep on supporting it, and God bless you all.